que me desespero. Y a diablo, mira, wow. No me mires así que me desespero.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a glittery cut crease. We are starting in with the brows, lining them up and just filling them in. We're going in with the shade Deep Brunette, using the gel creams from MAC Cosmetics. Going in using M173 brush, we're going to be using the color My Type from the palette 39L Hit the Lights from Morphe Cosmetics. And here we are using one of the brushes from BH Cosmetics, and we are pretty much using the same color, My Type, on the eyelid. As you can see that I am just staying in the crease line, working my way with the pigmentation there and blending it softly. Try not to bring it up too high to the brow bone. Now to blend, we're going to be using the brush M452 from Morphe Cosmetics. Just brushing out the crease line, making sure that it's blended well. Now going in with the brush M224 by Morphe Cosmetics and the No Filter Concealer by ColourPop in the shade Light 16. We are starting in the inner corner, working our way to the mid crease. As you can see there, I'm lifting up the brow so I could get a cleaner look, so I could get that nice and even crease. And I am using patting motions as well to pack in the concealer. Now we're going to be using patting motions to apply the eyeshadow glitz on and beam into the crease area. We're going to be packing up the shadows in Hookup and My Type in the outer corner. We're going to be using the brush M452 by Morphe Cosmetics, just blending out the outer corner, making sure that it's blended well and not too high to the brow bone or too close to the inner. And now we're going to be using the adhesive Duo, pretty much just applying some of the adhesive in the part where we cut the crease. And we're going to be going in with Mermaid Scales Glitter in the color Kiss the Girl. As you can see there, I'm using patting motions, applying some of that glitter where we cut the crease, making sure that it's packed in there nicely, and trying to just stay in the inner part of the cut crease and try not to go too far to the outer corner. using the brush Luxie 510, we're going to be applying First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Primer. And we're going to be using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend in the foundation as well as the concealer. Going in with the Beauty Blender, we are applying the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the shade Translucent. We're going to be packing it under the eyes and removing some of the excess off using Kat Von D's highlight brush. And for the bronzer, we're going to be using the shade Trailblazer from Morphe Cosmetics, applying that around the cheekbone area and the forehead as well as the nose area. And then for highlight, we're going to be using Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Rodeo, applying that on the nose bridge, on the tip of the nose, as well as the forehead, the cheekbone area, and the Cupid's bone.